Hey, so the easy way to program this remote is just to hold the set button. Now your air condition should be turned off and the remote should be turned off, and then you press and hold while pointing at the air condition, press and hold the set button. And you keep on holding it until your air condition turns on. Once it does that, you let go of the set button. You can see it's doing something. It can take quite some time before it will do it. There you go. Did you hear the beep? The beep came and I immediately let go and my air conditioner is now running, right? So now this remote can control this air condition. So I can push the off button and you can see my air conditioner turned off. And so now you have programmed it. So let's turn the aircon on because it's hot. Now the next thing is, how do you program the remote? There's a lot of light here. How do you program the remote time? To access the time, you press the set and the mode at the same time. I didn't do it right because difficult here on the table. We try again. Set and mode. There you go. You see, now it's blinking. Now I can put time up and down. It's actually 11:04 right now. I'll push the set one more. It will go to the next. It's 04 right now, and then I'll push the next one. That's it. Now your remote is set up. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this little guide. I made it because I couldn't find this information anywhere, and I spent 3 weeks getting in contact with whatever their name is and getting the information needed. So I thought I would just make a video, provide this information for the rest of you guys out there. So yeah, enjoy. And hey, if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up or maybe a little comment and say thank you. You know, I put in some time to sort this out.